Kasinot college menta kasngi palei ka lai phawai tarik nailar araja ar phawlai kalapan kup buram ya ki henrus pa lai phonrungut ki samla pule ki bala pendap ya ki jing pule jongki nakate ka college haki honors ba pher menta usnam ya kani ka jingpun kup buram lapan long hadinam hall jayau hakba uba FR Kharkongor IAS Commissioner and Secretary jongka sarkar jala uledan lang ban pen kup buram ya ki samla pule kum ukongsan ledan lang ru principal Kasinot college u Dr. RM Lingdo nangta u Dr. M Rani u Dr. G Lingdo kinong hikai bat ki kimi ki pa jong ki samla pule hagani ka singi la sami ki khusnam shakitu ki samla pule ki bala pas bha haki jing pule ba pher bakan thop ka khusnam Prime Rose Gaptho Memorial Award layo da ka samla Barisha Warjri Dr. D1 Sweat Award layo da usamla Badan Hok Nongsi lapon ku buram ru da ka Thomas Jones Memorial Award shaki arngut ki samla pule bakan thop ka samla IT Sha basayamoy mat ka samla ba ihun shisha khongshun baru shaki khandai ngot ki samla pule lingba ka khusnam Synot College Academic Excellence Award.
Is the recipient of the Primrose Gaptho Memorial Award of the college. With 83.75% marks. Walang for securing the 4th rank in BA Geography with 76.25% marks. Both of them have secured the 5th rank in BA Geography with 75.88% marks.
Johnny Karwan Lang, Johnny Karwan Lang, Meban Yaishan Mawphor, Kit Dondor Khongjo.
We are part of an agrarian society. The Khasi Jaintia community is largely an agrarian society, has always been, and in many ways we still continue to be. And in an agrarian society, one of the most important days of the year is the harvest day. The day when all the hard work that has been done after you've plowed the fields, after you've planted the seeds, and then you see the rich harvest. So today, the college is in fact celebrating this harvest, and you are the fruits of this harvest. So I would like to congratulate all 636 of you graduating students. Many of you are here, and some of you, as I was told by the principal, have perhaps gone out for their further studies. I wish both categories, both those ones who are here and those who have gone out, my heartiest congratulations. It is a milestone which many of you will not forget because it's an important chapter of your life. Talking about graduation day, what's most important for all of you to remember is that you carry within you much of the magic that you desire in the world. It takes me back to 2014 when I had the opportunity to attend a symposium, a World Education Symposium at the Google headquarters in Mountain View in California, near San Francisco, where at that Google Education Symposium, there were many young people like yourselves who are already working with the Google. So if you are a flower, you will bloom anywhere. It doesn't matter where you're from, but if you carry that passion, if you carry that sense of purpose, that aspiration, you can make an impact anywhere. And we are now called to be challenged, and I'm happy that Synot College has equipped you with good all-round education. so that you can emerge and go into the outside world and be, equipped to be not only to be job seekers, but hopefully to be job creators, to be employable. We often talk about unemployment problem, but whenever we sit with the experts, they say that we need employable people. So you have got a degree now. It's important for you that you also equip yourselves with more skills, with communication skills, with the IT skills, so that you become more and more employable. As we sit here in this hall and as we celebrate your collective achievements, it's important that we think also about value addition, about adding more to the skills that you already have, IT skills, language skills. It could be skills of networking, of making detailed project reports, of presentation skills. I'm sure most of these skills you already have been exposed to. But we need to create a body of young people who are armed with these kind of skills which are relevant and which are contemporary and which government systems require in this day and age.